All right. This ride really pumps people up, which I love. And I love that this ride is fun, because it is fun. But also, after so many rides, I feel kind of sick on it. But a night ride will be very fun on it, I'm sure. This is as close to a night ride as we can get.
It's pretty nice.
When it's...
Wait till you hit the woods.
Yeah. It's going to be real dark in there. There's only a whisper of light. Although we can still see the sunset a little bit. All right, let's go! Yeah! Oh man. Whew. I don't feel sick anymore. So that's good.
Bro, that wasn't even that scary, bro. Why were you screaming?
Oh.